Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do something simple, kind of a soft glam, because I'm just going out to run errands with my husband. I didn't want to do anything over the top, just keep it pretty neutral. And I think I did that pretty good with this look. So this is the eye look that I did today, as well as I used a highlighter and a lipstick, all from Makeup Revolution. So for this look, I used the Makeup Revolution Jewel Collection eyeshadow palette. This palette is beautiful. The packaging is stunning. There is a gold foiled cover to it. And then when you open it up, there's a really nice mirror, which makes it easy. Like if you're trying to travel, this mirror will definitely help you out. And then there's some beautiful colors in here. So there are 20 different eyeshadows in here. The top has a lot of really shimmery, glittery eyeshadow colors. Okay, so there's 3 matte colors. There's not a lot of fallout with them. I did apply them with my finger, which would probably help out. If I had used a brush, I'm sure it would have fallen all over my face. But the colors have a really pretty sheen to them. I did prep and prime my eyes prior to doing the look, as well as my foundation and my blush and contour. And if you want to see the tutorial, check it out now. I've already prepped and primed my eyes, and now I'm going to zoom you in so we can start on this eye look. The first color I'm going to start with is the color All Nighter. I'm going to put this into my crease and the outside corner just to give it a neutral base. Next, I'm going to take this color Chapter 1 and place it on the outside corner. I'm going to take this color Storm right here. I'm going to use my finger to place it on my lid. I'm going to start from my inner corner and work my way to the middle just to kind of blend it into the outside corner colors. I'm going to use this color Finesse and put it in the inside corner just to give it a little shine. I'm going to place this color just under my eyebrow on the brow bone. Underneath the eye, I'm going to use the color All Night just to kind of blend it out under there. Now that I've got my eyeshadow done, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner and mascara off camera, and I will be right back. So now that my eyeliner and mascara is done, I'm going to go ahead and do my highlighter. And I've got the Makeup Revolution Jelly Highlighter. So the packaging on it is exactly like the eyeshadow palette. It's got this really pretty gold reflective. And I've actually never used a jelly highlighter before. I've used liquid, I've used regular powder, but I haven't used a jelly one. So I'm interested to see how this works. I had just seen it come up on the Makeup Revolution website. So it moves a little bit, but it's really pretty in there. I'm not sure how much I need of this. So shimmery light pink color. I guess I'm just gonna start patting it on my cheeks. Ooh, that is shimmery. That does blend out really pretty. It's just, it blended in, even though I've already done my setting powder, which I should have done this before I did my setting powder. Even with the powder underneath, it just blended out so smoothly. It's got a nice shimmer to it. It's not patchy. It's not, I don't know, it's not messing up the texture of my face. I've used some liquid highlighters that I'd go and put it on and then it just like dragged my foundation off. That's really pretty. And when I do my highlight, I usually put a little bit on my nose so I get that little bling. And then a little bit on the Cupid's bow. A little bit up the nose. Ooh, and it's buildable. So for lipstick, I'm just going to keep with the theme of Makeup Revolution. And I have the No Perfection Yet lipstick. It's kind of a purpley color. I think this was actually, so when I placed an order with Makeup Revolution, I got this big gift bag. I want to say it was like $50 worth of product, but there was so much in there. And I think this lipstick was one of them. So I figured I would try it because I also have the lipstick topper. Really pretty color, went on really well. It's super creamy. And then we have the Makeup Revolution lip topper in Luxurious. It's a really pretty lip topper. I like it. It's got little flakes of gold in it. It's really smooth. It's not grainy. I really like it. It's just very shiny. Well guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure to hit the bell icon for notifications of new videos, which I put out Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And then if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so that I know that you like this video. And if you have any suggestions or comments, make sure to leave those in the comment box below. Thank you, and until next time, bye.